Okay, now.
Okay, good evening everyone, and especially Alex, watching now from behind the camera. Now, just a background, the purpose of evaluation and feedback first speech for the evaluator are mainly two things. Number one, see whether the speaker gives a well-organized speech. And number two, which I have underlined here, focus on the member's speaking style. So in this evaluation, I would focus more on your speaking style and give you some pointers on how you can improve in your second speech of the evaluation and feedback project. Now, Alex started here with a very nice, relaxing tone. He talked about his bicycle, the lovely bicycle, and how he cycled to Punggol. He even showed us sights from the cycling. Oh, it's a nice sunset, it's a nice waterfront. And then suddenly, wham! Body horror. Since it's Halloween season, one of the scariest things you can put on the screen is body horror. You know, those grotesque horror movies where people get mangled or dismembered. Yes, I can see Gwen's squirming there. And by choosing that topic and making it so personal, because it has happened to you, it's very easy for the audience to be hooked. Because as we saw the x-rays, as we saw your experience, we all started to squirm. We all started to be concerned. We all started to invest ourselves in your speech. So that was a very good opening. You started with that opening, you hooked us in, and then you delivered your message of how you learned through all this experience. You talked about the elephant, the rope, and the pole, about learned helplessness, which unfortunately a lot of people have. It's common sense, but you just brought it into anyone's attention and people started thinking, yeah, that makes sense. And then he's provided the solution in terms of learned optimism, which is the exact reverse. So I would like to commend you, number one, in the use of visual aids, which contributed to your style. As I said, we could feel your pain. And the visual aids were commendable because you use less words and use your speech to deliver the message instead. Although the visual aids was nice, I would like to challenge you in your next speech to treat it as an aid. It's called visual aid for a reason, because it's an aid. So what's the visual? If visual aid is an aid, what's the visual? The visual is you, the speaker. I noticed that you turn your body back towards the screen several times, multiple times to count, and you also put your left hand in your pocket, as you said, a fact that you only realize after the fact. You have to master your visual aid. Do not even try to talk to it, because it's not an entity, it's just right there behind you to allow you to communicate to the audience. You shouldn't talk to it. If you forget, you can always look at your laptop. So that's my simple suggestion for the next one. I would like to challenge you in the next speech to forego visual aid altogether and try to focus just on your body movement. I look forward to your next speech, Alex. Thank you.
Thank you. Evaluating our fourth speech from Fan is check-in.
Singapore Got Talent. That was the title.